All right, today I'm going to show you how to wire up this Redtiger dash cam with the hardwire kit. It seems pretty simple. It's 3 wires, ground wire, an accessory power wire, and then an always on power wire. Always have a nice test light handy when you're doing wiring on a car. It helps to find these always on and accessory power points. So I found a forum post about already installing a dash cam, so this is going to shortcut things here. So fuse 37 is the accessory, fuse 29 is the always on. The good thing is they're both labeled as spares. So if I can get this camera to focus and use my handy dandy test light, you will see fuse 29 lights up with no key on. Fuse 37 is dead right now. If I turn the key on, you'll see now the test light lights up there. For ground, I think I'm going to use the same. Where's that? This bolt here. Probably going to find a nut to just put right on top of that one for the ground wire. I'm going to mount the dash cam right here behind my mirror. I've already run the rear cam. I brought it up. I took this out, take this off, and I just tucked the cable along the edge here all the way down the driver's side to the back there. So probably going to do the same thing to get the power cable. I'll remove this panel, just pops off. This just pops off. Some other tools when doing this type of work are these nice plastic trim tools. Helps you get all these covers and such off. To remove this whole panel here, kind of got to get up in here and start prying. They're just plastic clips, and then once you get it, it should all pop down like that, and then you have access. There's my cable for the rear cam. Cover, it's just 4 clips. You just got to pry it straight down and it should all pop off. All right, coming out here, you could just pull this door seal off, let it hang here. That will expose this area where you can tuck wires and get wires. What I'm gonna do is I have a coat hanger, metal coat hanger. I'm gonna fish it from that area where I pulled this sunglass holder down, and it can come all the way out to here, and it'll help me get that power wire over to where I need it to be in the center. Pop this panel off here. It's got these clips, again using the plastic trim tool. Pop this A-arm or whatever the hell it's called loose. I don't want to pull it down because looks like it has tethers in there for probably when the airbag blows. So I'm just going to leave it loose for right now, and I'm going to try to just tuck the wire up from down in that area, up this side, and then I'm going to try to get it to go across here. As you can see, I got the coat hanger all the way through from there to here. Use some electrical tape and just pull this wire through. All right, so I ran into this issue where the cable length from the dash cam over there to this little box that changes if you have a 12 volt system or a 24 volt system. is not long enough to get down under the dash. So there's right here in this A-pillar arm, where next to the vent, there's enough space to tuck it right in there. So that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, so I just came across another issue. So you can see the fuses in the car are smaller than the fuse adapter that came with this kit. So I don't know what I'm going to do. Probably just try to trim these pins down a little bit to see if I can just get it to fit. Alright, so what I ended up having to do was I actually soldered these fuses to the spare fuses that were in these slots. For anyone that's going to do this, I would recommend trying to find an adapter that goes from these little fuses, which I believe are called micro 2, to this larger fuse size. Not real sure what the name of that one is. ATM maybe, I'm not sure. It would make life much easier. Either that or you got to cut these wires here and splice in something yourself. But I got a soldering iron. I was able to solder it together. So, well, thanks for watching. I hope this video can help somebody out. As always, if you liked it, please like. I'd also appreciate a follow. Thanks.